Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and it's great to have you here once again. What a day! What a day! I hope you followed my lead on NU. I said it was going to drop because of Bitcoin and Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general, and the whole market general. I mean, news come onto the market on a very, very bad time. So I hope that you really did your due diligence and research and not just bought off the hype like many people were talking about today in the show. Unbelievable. So it's good to have you here. Dr. Smith is already in the house. Let's get straight over to the trades. What a day it's been. I made some money this morning, as you know, on the trades, improved my position, but I never got into NU. Never got into it. That's a disaster. I mean, that isn't even. I don't know where I put my face if I was the CEO of NU. I really, really don't. It must be awful for them. I mean, people have lost money. But remember, the insiders, the people who inside this company, people like Warren Buffett, for example, did not buy in at this price, probably bought in at $1. So, there's people with money in it, not a problem, but you would never have made money on that today. And we had a record day as well today, and now things are rising up. Lovely. This has been a correction day. Nothing wrong. I've got everybody's mugs I was telling you about. I'm very excited to share with you. I've made handmade mugs. Yes, I have. It takes about half an hour to do each one. And I've tried to keep the price to a very minimum. I'll show you it in a second. See what you think of it. Something very unique, I reckon. Takes a lot of work and time, but I think you're going to be happy. All right. So we've got one for Bill and Balasir as well. So as soon as you get Balasir comes in and Bill, I'll share it with everybody. Quite excited about it. Right, Dr. Nathan Smith says hello. Cameron Keane is here. Hello, Cameron Keane. Got a lovely message today from Justin Trade thanking me for the support, and apparently I've saved him many times, which is nice. Still don't think Lucy can hit 25. Let's have a look. No, I'm okay with it. I'm still okay with it. I'm not. I was up at 20% or something like that on the 25-30%. I'm down to 4.5%. I've actually wiped out my profits. I could have sold at the top. I didn't know a subpoena was coming, obviously, but I believe in the stock and I'm not concerned because it will rise again. Of course, what I could have done, sold at the top and bought at the bottom and done it again. That would have been fantastic, but I didn't see that coming. No one would know that was coming unless you worked for Lucid, of course, inside trading. That's what that's called. No, I didn't, but I don't see it going to 25. No, still don't. LOL. He's laughing about it. Hello, Paddy. Hi, all traders. Dr. Nathan. Good evening, everybody. Wonderful stuff. This is a very, very quick coming into the show tonight. Have you noticed how things are getting faster and faster? We got, is it 53 likes today? All-time record. Couldn't believe it. Absolutely great. Right, everybody, smash the like button. Let's see if we can get 20 right now. This is only a short show, of course. Just the hour. Look at this, everybody. Very excited. Look, I've made handmade mugs for certain people. Look at this. These mugs are done handmade. Look, different names. Look at Bill's. Look at that, guys. See that? Look. It's got his name on it, and it is signed properly. That is actually my pen, my actual finger. I've done that. And that is under the glaze now. There you go. And we've got ones for Richard in white. Look at that. And also, look, in black. Is that cool or what? Is that cool or what? Brilliant. And I only charged $4 to make that. It took about half an hour to do each one. I will get faster at it. But is that fair? It's a one-off. It's the only mug in the world like it. Anyway, Robinhood is now lifting up. I'm expecting some recoveries in the next 25 minutes, by the way. I don't know what everybody else feels about that, but I would say in the next 25 minutes, we should see a few things return. We're not going to get back our losses for the day, but we are going to improve, I would have said. So let's have a look. I could now buy, I've got my money that I didn't use for new on hand, 352. Let me have a look. EVGO. I've got enough in that. I've lowered my averages. I'm not going to buy into that right now. Tesla is down 6%. I could buy some Tesla, actually. Yep. That's not a bad idea. Rivian. No, I'm not going to buy Rivian, I don't think. I think Rivian is about right for where it should be anyway. Virgin Galactic, no, I've got plenty in there. I might buy it in the morning if we have a drop in the morning. That's what I might do, actually. I might save the money for the morning. Loose is down 17% today, but I'm still above. I might leave that to the morning as well. I think this is a wait and see situation. I think leave till the morning might be better. 6% today. Yeah, I've only got $300. It's not a lot. So I think I will leave this till the morning. I'll let things settle down. I think we might get a bit of a lift up now, but I'm not sure about it. So anyway, let's get everybody into the show. Let's go over to the whole portfolio and see where we are completely. So look, we're down today. God, really? I'm down 4.5% today. Wow, that's a big day. That's a big day, isn't it? That's not based on product or market. That's based on fear and nonsense. That is. That's a huge drop, isn't it? We're up from where we were in the week. We're down here at 48 at one point, and then we lifted back up and dropping back down again. Yeah, that's not too great, is it? I'm not going to do anything though. I'm going to think about this taxed harvesting. That's what Timothy Adams is saying. Taxed harvesting, he's saying. Yeah, I'm just going to sit and let this brew. I don't think this is the time to do anything. Certainly isn't the time to sell anything. My positions are great. I'm very, very happy with all my companies. I've made money in everything. I'm fine with it. I think we will get a little bit of a bounce in the next 20 minutes. I think we will. But then we've got Friday, of course, tomorrow. I think really tomorrow could be a sell-off day anyway. It often is. And then I think it could be starting again on Monday, probably Tuesday. You'll have a sell-off on Monday morning, and then we'll maybe Monday afternoon we'll start picking up again, I reckon. But I don't know. I mean, there are some bargains here, I think. But I'm not in a position to sell right now because everything is down. I'm not going to sell anything. I don't think it's time. It's low enough, particularly to spend the $300. I think I'm going to keep that on hand in case I see anything really dramatic happen. I mean, this isn't great, but this is trading. This is the stock market. All right, has everyone liked the video? Has everyone liked the video? I'm waiting to see Bill. I hope Bill comes in, and of course Balaser. He said he'd be here. I want to show them their fancy mugs. Thank you very much. I think 8 of you watched the song of the day today. Did you enjoy that? The song of the day. Of course, the song of the day today was Lady in Red A video I'm sure none of you have seen before. Did you all like that one? In fact, let me just go have a quick look. Did you leave any comments on the lady in red? Let's have a look. Yes, you did. Robert Durant, so good, very good. This video should have millions of views. One day it will, maybe. I'm new, as you know. I'm just building it all up. It's a lot better now you've watched it all. But that was the song of the day today. We'll have something exciting again tomorrow. Something that you've never seen before. Right. Mug ordered. Cameron Keane. Oh, did you get a mug? Which one did you get, Cameron? Which one did you get? Sweet. Don't forget to send the picture in. Cameron, we're now doing this. Look, let me share with you. Let me show you. What you do is you let me know what item you'd like from the shop. It can be anything in any size and in any colour. And tell me what name you want on it. And I will make you your very own. And it will be hand signed by me and your name on it. And it's just a few bucks more. I think $4 more I've charged for the mugs. It takes me about half an hour to do it. Let me show you. Look. These are what I made this afternoon. Look, see, I made... there's Rick. Look, he's got a white one. Richard, that's Balasair. And he also wanted black ones. Look, that's my signature. And that's the person's name as well. And look, there's Bill. Where's Bill? Here he is. Here's Bill, look. I just charged $4 more, look. See, you've got the... See that, look? It's got my signature on it. And that's hand done. That's not just computer generated. It took me ages to get it right and put your name on it. So if you want a specific thing like that, a one-off in the whole world, with your name and signature... You just tell me what you want and I create a listing for it and put it on the shop. It doesn't exist. You can't go in and just buy it and order it. You tell me what you want and I make it for you. All right? How do I get one of them? You can just tell me and I make it for you. Like I just said. You tell me what you want, what color, what size. It can be anything. Anything in the shop at all. Go and have a look. Tell me what you'd like. In any colour, any size, anything, and I will put Cameron on it, and I will sign it as well. Just tell me what you want, okay? And I will create the listing. And that'll be a one-off. You'll be the only one in the world. You can do it for a wife, girlfriend, partner, friend. You can give it to somebody. They are completely one-offs, and I will create that listing for you. Right, I said to you we'd see a bit of a lift-off, and there we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's quite dramatic, folks. There we go. It kind of feels weird. You know, I've always told you I have ESP, extrasensory perception. I see things and believe things. It's kind of weird because I don't understand it, and it's happening all the time. Look, I told you we would suddenly pump up, and we just did. I don't know. I just feel it. It's weird, isn't it? Yeah. Brilliant. Anyway, so let's see what's doing that. Even though I said it was going to pump up, I didn't put any money on it because I want to keep money to hand. There, Virgin Galactic is lifting up. Lucid is now lifting up a little bit. I don't think it will hit 25. I don't. It's lifting up a bit. Robinhood. In fact, I think all the markets will do that now in the next few minutes. I think all markets will buy in now. I think we've had overselling today. Completely pointless, completely silly, and I think we'll get some bounces right now, and we won't get back to where we were this morning, but there we go. Boeing's doing the same thing. Apple, they're all doing it. Look, this has got nothing to do with companies and product. This is to do with human beings again. It's all to do with human beings, reactions to everything. It's all it's about. There we go, a little bit of a lift off even for NU. Still wouldn't touch it with the barge pole. Not going to touch that with the barge pole. I don't care what you say, what you tell me. Bitcoin and Ethereum still dropping down. So there you go. So yeah, Cameron, tell me what you want. Look on the shop now. Tell me what you want. And I will make it for you. Can you do a black mug with Keen on it, please? Yep. Let me do it right now. Okay. So, black mug. I just charged $4 to make it. It takes me about half an hour. I have to get it right. But, and keen. Let me spell this correctly. Right. Keane. There we go. Keane. There we go. I shall make that after the show, and tomorrow you can go on the shop and you'll find it. What are your market senses telling you about tomorrow? Well, it's Friday. We are in a correcting couple of weeks. We are now going to Friday sell-offs. You're very welcome, Cameron. We are experiencing ridiculous overselling. We have got the fear of COVID. That might get worse before it gets better. I think at the end of the day, you don't borrow money. You don't use leverage in a market like this. I don't use leverage anyway, period, full stop, end of story. But like, you don't, see, it's still rising, look. You don't use leverage, so you bought into good stocks you believe in. It depends on what your portfolio is, and that you're in the right stocks. But there is a little lift up now, definitely. Tomorrow, I think there'll be a little sell-off in the morning, and then it will rise again throughout the afternoon. So I'll make some money tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I will use my ever-growing buying power. It's getting bigger every day because I'm making profit every day. I'm not selling my core percentages of my stocks because I want to keep them. All I'm doing is trading the little cream off the top. That's how I've grown the portfolio from 5 to 58 in 5 months. So I'll just take some cream off the top, trade, flip that out in the morning. I think I'll probably do that in the morning in the first 5-10 minutes, and then we'll be done. Then I think we'll have a sell-off Friday, and then we'll start again probably Monday afternoon. Things will start to recover. This selling at the moment is bloody ridiculous. That's what I think. And of course, keep that conversation going, Timothy. If you go to the Discord group, here is the all links with all those free giveaways and Discord group and podcast. Oh, did anybody follow my podcast today? I need 25 of you to help me out. How many have I got now? Let me have a look. I've now got let me have a look. I'm looking to get 50 followers. That's what I need. And I had 22 this morning. I wonder if anybody followed me on my podcast. Let me have a look. 23. Thank you very much. One of you done it? There we go. 23. I've got to get to 25 followers on my podcast before I can earn money on that. And appreciate that because, of course, all the referrals and money I get from things I give to you. So I just need to try and make some money on that if I can. All right. Let's go back to the main portfolio. Let's see if it is rising. Yes, it's continually rising. That's good. On the hour, I think we might get up to just near enough. Where are we now? 0.32. I think I might get to 50,000 by the end of the show. Yeah, I think 50,000 by the end of the show might be achievable. That's a little bit optimistic. I'm hoping a little bit there, but I think it's doable. Yep, Rivian's coming back up again. SBC is fine. Lucid pushing back up again. Hood pushing back up again. What's new doing? Yeah. That's what it's doing. Yeah, that's bloody awful. But, you know, it's a typical Warren Buffett thing. Very slow growth over time. and that's fine. I have those stocks. I have my dividend stocks like that. I have my ETFs like that. I need growth because I want to get to 100,000. I was hoping to be at 60,000 by the end of the year, and I still think I'm going to do that. Let's have a look here. Oh, you missed hell of a show this morning, Julius Caesar. The market and Bitcoin are riding the same way. They are. You think this evening crypto will continue to dump? Quite possibly. We've got so much negativity in it now. That's what's not done New any good today, I think. But I'm holding my position, even though I'm down with it. I'm down $400. I'm down with it. I'm not in a position to buy any more. I'd buy some more if it goes below 40. But I hope that doesn't happen. That would be a bit of a travesty, to be honest. But, you know, if it does, it does. Okay. I'm keeping my buying power on hand. Keeping that cash out of the game. Still think 50,000 by the end of the show is possible. In the next 7 minutes, I think it's doable. I'm wishful thinking there, though. That's more. See, I mean, it's got traction. Like, you can see it moving a bit. But as it gets closer and closer, it will get less likely because people won't want to buy in then. Because Friday tomorrow, everyone sells anyway. Yeah, there's some tax selling, but we have seen people repositioning ahead of the interest hike. Yeah, there's a lot of repositioning going on. Julius Caesar. I was hoping Bill would be here. I was so excited to see Bill and Balasair. Hope they come in. We had a very long show today. It wore everybody out. I'm sure they'll come in, but I've made their mugs for them. I wanted them to see them. Our first custom mugs. So it's custom. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can now get a completely bespoke mug. Completely and utterly bespoke. I'll show you what I mean. Look, you can tell me whatever product you want in any colour and I'll put your name on it. These are made for you by hand. I designed them by hand and then signed them. I actually use a pen and write on the iPad and it sends that image directly onto the mug. They're all different. They're not the same. There we go. There's Richard's Balasair. That's what I made today. And you can have that. So you can have your own name on it. And you can have it on a t-shirt. You can have it on a hat. Whatever you like. And there you go. Yeah, throwaway Friday. I absolutely agree. I think it's not going to be until Monday afternoon when we see this return, and that's fine. I've repositioned. I bought some other shares. I mean, you know, it's the whole board. Look, this has nothing to do with the market. Look, this has nothing to do with the market. This has nothing to do with products. This is to do with COVID scare, and the COVID scare is so unbelievably stupidly ridiculous. Because we could cure. In fact, let's ask the doctor this question, right? We've got a doctor in the house now, right? Dr. Smith, this has gone on now for 1.5 years, 2 years, whatever it's been. I forget now. Long time, right? Human beings are all selfish and we're all do what we want to do for ourselves. And here we are with all the technology and all the communication. It's a different world than it was when we had the Black Death, when no one knew what was going on and no one could tell the next village what was about to happen. No one knew. No one could spread the word like we can today. Why on earth don't we do a serious global lockdown, whatever's necessary? Am I right in saying, Dr. Smith, if we did that, if we absolutely said, right, we've gone on for 2 years, this is ridiculous, let's lock down the world. I know it's easier said than done, but get really, really serious and everybody go, okay, let's get really serious. In 10 days, am I right in saying the virus would die out? It'd be finished, done. I know that would cost a lot of money and be very inconvenient, but isn't this worse, what's going on now? Markets is the least of the issue, and I know it's our topic of conversation here, but it's the least of the global issues, right? Wouldn't we be able to fix all this if we really got together as a human race and said, okay, stop being individuals and buggering around, a little bit here, a little bit there, our country does this, your country does that, and say, right, the whole world come together and fix it. Wouldn't we fix it? I mean, when we started locking down at the beginning, do you remember in Venice when all the animals started coming back into the rivers and nature? The rivers got clear very, very quick. Things started to improve because it was a lockdown. But we didn't all do it together at the same time. If we all did that, wouldn't the problem go away? We've got a doctor in the house. What is? I'd love to know his opinion on that. Right, I'm going to ask for your scores in 4 minutes. So get ready to give me your scores. So up or down, and then your score for the day trader of the day. We want to see where you end up. And don't do it until I post mine and we get the timer. So get ready. You've got 3.5 minutes to go. We're seeing a drop back now. Remember I said to you, as it got closer and closer, people would start to sell out. So it doesn't look like I'm going to make the 50,000 now. And as we get closer and closer, people are losing more and more confidence. So you can see that now. I had the chance between 53 and 54 minutes, but not now. Because the virus is mutating, no amount of locking down will die out. It's here, and this is the new norm. Yeah, but it only mutated because we didn't lock down. It's only mutated because we didn't tackle it. I mean, it dies in you. It dies in you, right? So if we don't keep passing it from one person to the other, it would die out, right? I'm sure it would. Whether it mutates or not. If it hasn't got a host, if it dies in the person gets well, it's gone, finished. That person can't pass it on, right? Am I right in saying that? I'd like the doctor's opinion on that. I'm pretty sure that's how it works, but hi from Greenland. Hello, how are you? You're missing the main show. We're over here on YouTube. What you're watching on TikTok is just my phone. If you want to come and join the traders and talk to the team, you need to come into YouTube. Okay, what have we got here? What have we got being posted here? This is nothing. It's I have no idea what that is. What is that? Shiu Uman, what are you saying to us? Right, if you want to be part of the team, don't just post some links. You need to talk to us because we're here to support you and we're a real, genuine, honest channel. We don't do any spam or nonsense. Please do let us know where you're from. I'm from Cornwall in England. My studio is in Texas. The rest of the team will introduce themselves to you. Get to know us before you just post links and hashtags. It doesn't really mean anything. I know a lot of channels do all that, but we don't do that. We're real traders, real people, and we're here to support people. We want all the information to be helpful and from human beings who want to support each other. So please come back and introduce yourself to the family. Smash the like button, folks. If you've just come in here, we're trying to get the 20 likes. We've only got, 1 minute to go. Get your scores ready, folks. Go to your main portfolio on the day. And do I have to post that? Do I have to post that I'm down that much? Down 4.52. Whoops. God, dear me. Do I have to post that? Down 4.52. All right. Okay. In 30 seconds, I want you to start posting your scores. Don't post it yet. Thank you for the like. We've now got 12 likes. Thank you very much indeed. All right. You ready? Okay. When we reach the minute, bear with me a second. Okay, in 15 seconds, when I bring in the timer, start. Thank you very much, Patricia. Great this morning. We've got to celebrate Alicia's birthday. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. When the clock's on the screen, you've got 1 minute to post your scores. Let's see who is the winner. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Ah, Bill, I've got your mug, mate. I've made your mug. I'm glad you came. because I've made you your very own custom mug, which you can go and order now on the shop. Get those scores in. You've got 30 seconds left. Down 1.24. That beats me. Down 4.54. That means Bill's in the lead. There we go. So, Bill, it looks like Bill wins the day. 1.04. Okay, I'll give that to you. Cameron Keane, you were just a second late, but I'll give it to you. All right, Cameron Keane is down 1.04, which means Cameron Keane wins the day trader of the day. Congratulations to you. Not a bad score at all in a day like this. Just as well as you're counting cards and building your own brokerage, you need to be winning this every day, mate. So thumbs up. Thank you for sharing your honest trades with us. And here we go. Big round of applause. Here we go. There you go. All right. There you go. Congratulations to you. And I've got a message here from Christopher. That sounds interesting. Let me look at that in a second. Hang on a minute. Camera. Hang on a minute. Let me take that off the screen. Clear this up. Right, Bill, very quickly. Right. For those of you who know now, you can go on my shop, pick anything you want in any size, any color, and tell me what you want putting on it. And just for a couple of bucks, it's $4 actually. It takes me half an hour to do it, but I'll do it for you. That's all I make, $4 for doing it. I will make you this. This is Bill's order. So Bill can now, you can't go on the shop and order something and have it changed. You have to tell me what you want and I create your listing. So here it is. Bill, here is your black mug with your name written on it, and there is your very own listing. That's the only one in the world. Anyone can go and order that. You can order as many as you like, but that's made specially for you. That's hand-signed with a pen. That's not computer-generated. Hand-signed with a pen, and your name is put on there. Bill, that's for you. That's in the shop now. You can go and order that. All right? So there you go. Whatever you like in any color you want, you can get that ordered. Bill, that's there for you in the shop. Your very, very own listing. Okay, I've done it for other people too today. We've also done it for Richard. He wanted black ones and white ones. Look, all hand done, handwritten, all different. Everyone is different and real. There you go. I just make $4 for doing that. That's all. Right. Okay. Now then, just as we were doing that, Christopher said, if you were looking for royalty-free funky music, you could have used the G sharp major song. I license it to you. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Would you I need to have a listen, see if it fits the countdown timer. And that would be kind of cool, wouldn't it, Christopher? Because we could tell the world that this is your music. Hey, very, very good. So send me a message. Let's do that. Send me the audio, that clip, whatever it might be. If it fits that, I'll use it. I'd love to do that for you, and thank you very much. Never thought being down would win it. No, damn right. They look awesome. Can't wait to get mine. There you go. You're welcome. There's a great funk breakdown in A Forest song. Okay, I've got the CD. It's right here. Here's the CD we're talking about. Look, there it is. Okay. I've never actually played the CD because I haven't got a CD player. but I've heard it obviously on Spotify. What is it? Where have I listened to it? Spotify and... Is it Apple Music I've listened to it now? think it is. Anyway, I can't play the CD. I haven't got a CD player. But yeah, send me the send that little clip to me, please, if you wouldn't mind. If you think if you think it will fit the timer thing, that'd be great. The CD is more for collectors, indeed. That's why it's signed, right? Okay. So, what a day. We took some abuse this morning from a new investor who said it's going to the moon. I tell you what, I want to say everyone's encouraged here to be on the show, and everyone can say what they like, and we encourage everyone to do what they want. But I tell you what, too many people who are new to trading, particularly, or young, use the phrase, it's going to the moon. It's like saying, everyone says everyone's a legend. Elton John is a legend, all right? Not every Tom, Dick and Harry is a legend, and not every stock goes to the moon. I hate that phrase. It's based upon nothing other than speculative, wishful dreaming. Going to the moon, what does it even mean? Yeah. Christopher, send me a message on that one, mate. I can't do it now, obviously, but I'll do it after the show. But let's have a look at that. Definitely, I'd love to be able to use that in the show. What was going to the moon? Oh, new this morning. Awful, absolutely terrible IPO this morning. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole, only because right now a digital currency is fading. I'm all in with Bitcoin, as you know, but they brought this out, I would have thought, to IPO coincide with Bitcoin exploding to 100,000. Everybody thought that was going to happen in December. I still believe it can, of course, but what I'm saying is they probably brought that out thinking at this point Bitcoin is going to be surging, because even though it's a digital bank, let's be honest, you got to see the correlation there. If Bitcoin and crypto is collapsing, why would a digital bank explode? Kind of obvious, right? In my book, anyway. And everyone was telling me this morning, oh, it's just going to go up and up and up and up and up. Well, it didn't, did it? It didn't. It completely collapsed. So, there we go. It's down from what it IPO'd at, for God's sake. I mean, look at it. It's awful. It opened at 11 and it's down. I mean, when does an IPO do that? When does an IPO open and just go down? I mean, it doesn't have any positives to it. Anyway, well, there is proof that some crypto goes up as the moon gets fuller. Alex Hunt. Well, there is proof that some crypto goes up as the moon gets fuller. Yeah, there we go. That's the sort of stuff we need. NU, it didn't get to lift off, so that mission to the moon got aborted. You ain't kidding. But what we don't want is people because it's new and it's cool and it's this and it's that and it's and the Shiba Army say so, then it must be a good investment. I mean, that's silly. We're not gambling here, folks, are we? Oh, look at this. Hey. There we go. Bill has ordered his black mug. Look at that. He's ordered his very own original mug. That's wonderful. Thank you very much indeed. You paid in euros? That's interesting. You paid in euros. I guess you're in Canada, right? It's a bit different, right? But anyway, you've got the only one in the world. Anyway, you can go back and order more. They'll be there forever. So if you want to give those as presents to your family, that listing will stay there. But that's your own mug, It's only going to be you and your family who would own that mug, I would imagine. Mind you, didn't Rivian have the same start? No, not like that. It didn't. No, it didn't. Rivian was nothing like that. Let's go back and have a look. Rivian had, hang on, how can we scale that out? Rivian had a really good lift off, not a tiny little one. And when it fell back, it was still up. It never went below its original price. Look, no, that's fine. That's what IPOs do. That's what IPOs do, especially when they're overhyped. That was ridiculous. Overhyped, came back. It was great. It was great. And it was a long pump all day long as well. It was growing over a few days. Look, up and up and up. Completely different. This was over several days. Look, nearly a week here of grow. I made money on the way up, made money on the way down. And now it's up above where it was. Let's look at New. New went up in 2 seconds and straight back down. It didn't keep on going. It didn't do it for days. It did it for minutes and then dropped back down and then went below its original price. Completely the opposite of what Rivian did. Rivian is exactly what it should do. That was awful. And if I'd have been the CEO of New, I would have moved the IPO. If that's possible at all, I would have moved it. Because we can see what's happening in the markets, we can see what's happening with Bitcoin right now. I would have moved it, but it is what it is. It doesn't really matter because the people that bought in internally, like Warren Buffett, probably paid $1 a share anyway. So they're still way up. I mean, you know, they're way up, but it'll grow again probably. I mean, but. It doesn't help you when you produce an IPO like that. It puts a lot of insecurity, and as it should, into the market. Right, we got 15 minutes left indeed. Yes, it all in euros. Oh, I see. You buy it in euros. Fair enough. Okay. Yes, of course, and me and Alicia would be so happy to have a copy. And you have to tell us how to order. There you go. see, Christopher's old school. He's like me. Look, he's a nice bloke, and he says, "Yeah, just pass it amongst your friends." Not, no, don't do that. Don't copy it. Don't, order another one. He says, pass it along your friends. Like that. People do that anyway, don't they? Real collectors buy them, I get it. But, yeah. Alicia's here. Hi, Martyn, everyone. You've all been so kind this afternoon. I appreciate it so much. I'll remember and be always grateful to you and all day traders. Yeah, we did the birthday, right, this morning. Did you all watch that? It was a good morning, right? And don't forget, Alicia, you can go back to that video and rewind it and share it with your friends. That's there forever. Today's day trade show is there forever. You can go and share that. Click the share button and tell people, look, watch from here to here, and so on and so forth, and they can have a little listen if they want. Right. It's an awful after hours now. Trading sideways, not a lot going on. Yeah, very, very, very awful. Dear me. Sell off. It's going to be even worse tomorrow morning, I think, and then we might rise a little bit. But I don't really think now until probably Monday afternoon we're going to see any benefit. We're going to see anything return. Just picking up slightly. Look. Interesting concept, tracking major hedge funds. Interesting concept, tracking major hedge funds. Who's doing that? I'm not sure what you mean there, Alex. You are, or? Something so wonderful, Martyn, I'll never forget. Oh, absolutely pleasure. That's what we're here for. Well, I'm hoping to have some good news tomorrow with the hours for everybody. I think tomorrow morning, let's have a look at it. We had a record number watched the show this morning. 183 people watched the show this morning. Absolutely great. That's a record. We had 53 likes. That's a record. And the official monetized hours, remember they always take the shorts off. There's always adjustments. I'm going to share with you right now, here it is, 3,826. We've done 100 hours today. That's 3,926. We definitely have. It might be in the morning. It might take a little while, but we're definitely going to be 3,900 and something tomorrow. So we're honing in on Friday. So rewind these videos, keep going, and we'll get there. And then we'll start to see the channel even increase even faster. We should get more people coming in today. It was quite cool. And of course, we're now doing the music of the day. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched the. Look at this! I said I'd reach 50,000. I backed off it. I lost a bit of confidence. Maybe I should have kept my confidence. I said there'd be some buying in. Look at that. I think I'm a bit tired now. I'm losing my feel for it right now. That's why I'm not trading. Get too tired, just back away. Oh! I said, look at that. What happened then? What the hell happened then? Did everybody see that? What the heck happened then? Did everybody see that spike? That was like the most wildest spike I've ever seen. What did that? Did we get a huge buy and sell in Bitcoin? Because that normally does that. Did you see that? God's truth. I don't know if everybody saw that, but there was a huge spike then, like huge. The sort of spikes you don't see very often. Look at that. Yeah, it was a real spike. There was a huge buy and sell off there. Look at that. Bloody hell. Yeah. That's a shame that didn't carry on. Thought we were going to go straight up to 50,000 then and stay there. Oh well, never mind. It's having another go, look. Oh, hang on, let me look at Peloton. Peloton does that as well. Peloton did 29% the other night in the after hours. Let's see where that's coming from. Right, let's go back to the lives. I said Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, 0.5%, a third of a percent. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping, yeah. It's not one stock, I think. It's collection. This is why I know I've got the balanced portfolio, because I see all these pushes, and it's everything a little bit, which means my portfolio is balanced. If I was living on a trend of one stock, that means my portfolio would not be balanced. If I only ever made money because Virgin was up or Virgin was down, that would be a very risky, unbalanced portfolio. It's all about how much of a percentage you allocate your funds to. So you want to spread that, not because you want to spread because that way you know, you're in no camp. I don't mean just be completely randomly picking every single stock and having a random spread of everything. That doesn't help. But what I'm saying is you want a portfolio when it reacts like that, everything moved a little bit. That way it's kind of, you know, remember I said to you today, it's very, very easy. I find it very, very easy to make money on the stock market. Easy, 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 simple. Anyone can make money on the stock market. The difference between us and other Warren Buffett and people with billions of dollars is they can manage risk and hold on to their money. That's the difference. Knowing when to trade, knowing when not to, and when to buy, when not to buy. That's the difficult thing. So I try to spend more time managing my risk than I actually do trying to make money. That's why I'm sitting now letting things just do their own thing. Anyway. Tesla is now under 1,000. Oh, it just went back up again. Good. Who wants to see Tesla below 1,000? That doesn't feel right, does it anymore? Didn't feel right anymore. Right, we've got 10 minutes left of the show. Yeah, good. Julius Caesar says, "Good night, everyone. Should be interesting tomorrow." You're bloody right there. Hey Martin, think about buying puts at times like this, so we can make money on the red days. I haven't done any option trading yet. No leverage, no borrowing money, no predicting the future. I haven't done any of that stuff. I'm still learning. I'm still working. I'm still perfecting my strategies, my feel for it, sensing it. I haven't yet got into that stuff yet. I need to learn more about it. I want to learn that from you guys. So please do share it with me. Did you see this, Martin? The first EV shipping vessel. I'll link you on Facebook. Go on then. Did you see this? The first EV shipping vessel. Yeah, we've now got, what was it I saw the other day? Solar planes coming out. Solar planes. Someone said to me, see, this is what people don't understand. Someone said to me the other day, I wouldn't go in a solar plane. What if you go into the clouds? Eh? When it takes off, the batteries are fully charged. It doesn't just go in the sunshine, and when you go in the clouds, it crashes. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Imagine that getting approved by the authorities. Yeah, I can see that happening. Right, let me try and... how do I open this on the phone? I think I'll just share it from the phone. I'll be lazy. Shall I be lazy? All right, here we go. Emission-free container ships prepare for commercial operation. Fantastic. That's what we need. Because I've worked on all the cruise ships all around the world. And they are terrible. They will tell you they do all the right things for the environment. They do not. They do not. They congratulate themselves. They'll congratulate themselves because they'll be a bit better than last year to apply by the rules. It's the smallest amount of growth every year. It's unbelievable. It makes no bloody difference. I hate it. It's terrible. The cruise ships pollute the environment like you wouldn't believe. Look at this. The Yara Birkeland, the world's first fully electric and autonomous container ship. Look at that. Beautiful. Yara International has announced that it will soon commence commercial operations of its long-awaited Yara Birkeland, the world's first electric and self-propelled container ship. It will also begin a 2-year test period prior to entering fully autonomous operation on a route off the coast of Norway. Love it. Yeah, remember George Carlin said, remember that when you think about how dumb people are, they're actually twice that dumb. Yeah, I'm not going to go on a solar plane because if it goes in the clouds and crash. If they traded, might be something to monitor. You're bloody right. I would back it even if I didn't think it would make any money because I'd want to support it. I'd want to support that. I mean, you know, investing is about what you believe in as well, guys. I don't invest in things I don't believe in, right? I wouldn't invest in rubbish just because it makes me money. I really wouldn't. I hope I've never done that. Anyway, it's I'm up on the hour. Oh, I'm up on the hour. Do I get a prize for being up on the hour? Right, we're coming to the end of the show. It's been a wonderful day. I think tomorrow we might break the 4,000 hours. We won't know, of course, until Saturday. It's only dragging out now. I thought it would be this week. I thought it would be last week, but then we had the what do you call it? So we had some quiet shows for Thanksgiving, and then we've had YouTube having its glitch this morning. I think we're another day behind. I think there's another days of hours there. We got nothing this morning, and then mid-morning it refreshed. So I think there's a bit of a delay on that as well. So we may even be already there. But keep watching the videos, guys. And thanks for all tuning in and watching the Lady in Red video, our video of the day with the lovely lady. Christopher, did you see it? Did you see it with the lovely lady today? Special video I made with Lady in Red with our beautiful dancer. Did you see that? If you didn't see it, You missed out. Should I get it up for Christopher? I'll get it up, shall I? Did he see it? I can't remember if he saw it. I didn't. Right, here it is. I'm gonna give you the link, right? A number of you did go and watch the song of the day. It's a new feature to the show. We're gonna have the song of the day. Hey, Chris, make a video. Have you got a video of a G sharp major, J sharp major? God, I'm getting my words all tongue tied now. Of your band, right? And we'll do a song of the day. How about that? Right. So, none of you did. Right. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. I'm going to give you the song of the day. This is one you've not seen before, and I'm bringing you stuff you've not seen, and you need to watch it after the show finishes, and leave a comment. And because I'm trying to promote all of this, so the time will come when we can relaunch Live Streamer Cafe when I have 100,000 followers, which we are going towards there now. So I want to use that to promote LSC, which was crafted by Christopher. Right, here it is. Here is the video you've not seen. You're going to like this. It is the video, the song of the day. Ba, 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 ba. Hang on. Here it is. Okay. Here it is, everybody. Here is the link you need. And do you want to see how good this is? This is something you've not seen before. You're going to like this. You ready? Here we go. There you go. I'm not going to play the music and ruin the surprise. But there it is. And she's with me doing Lady in Red. Pretty smart, right? Let me show you another little bit. There's a cool bit. There you go. There you go. That's the Lady in Red. That's the song of the day in 4K. Beautiful on a big screen TV. And I'm doing the Lady in Red, Christopher. There you go. Every day we have a song of the day, and that's today's song of the day. All right. Lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Cool, cool, cool. Thank you very much. Christopher sent me one. There you go. Christopher's given you a link in the chat as well. You made a music video. Yep, I did. I made a music video. Look, here's the end of the video. Now she's running up the stairs as I'm going, Lady in Red. Oh yeah, check it out. Pop video. Welcome everybody. There's the link. You made a music video. Daniel Diaz. Right, we've come to the end of the show. It's been a great day today. Things are recovering now. I don't think we'll recover until Monday afternoon, personally. But we will get back up again. I've no doubt about it. I love days like this. Don't feel bad. I love it because I'm going to make more money tomorrow and Monday than I have for a few days because I'm going to buy all the bounces and bounce them back up again. No question about it. I'm trying to get my buy. Now I've built my portfolio to 50,000, even though it's just a tad off. My next target is it will be 60,000 by the end of the year. That's the plan as well. But also now I want $5,000 in buying power. And to do that, I've got to do lots of trades, dollar by dollar, dollar by dollar. So I'll have $50,000 in my portfolio in stocks, and I'll have 5,000 in buying power. So I'll have 55,000 sitting at the side, and that'll be very, very good. And that's how this whole thing's going to work. All right. So we're coming to the end of the show. Thank you very much indeed. I hope you'll go and check that video out now. As I end the show, copy and paste that and go and leave a comment on our new video, The Lady in Red, Christopher, and that's the song of the day. But that's it. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a better day. But remember, you make more money on down days than you do on up days. Up days, you just sit there and watch it grow. but to achieve more and more shares and grow your bottom line, your foundations, you need down days to be able to rise again. It's how this whole thing works. All right, Ethereum is now lifting up a bit. Bitcoin's having a good little pump right now. Have a good night all. I do margin and win. Oh, I only have to pay the margin. Yeah, I know. Robinhood gives me margin as well. Look, I've got $41,000 available to me. Look, 41 grand for 2.5% APR, cheapest chips, but I don't use it. I don't believe in that. I believe in making money from money, not making money from borrowed money. Remember, brokerages are businesses. They look at all the odds and how it works out, and they make money out of that. Not only do they get the 2.5%, but if you get a margin call on you, things drop off. They can take your shares off you. So be very careful. I know you can make money. A lot of people do, but I prefer to go. Look, do I want $40,000 to invest? Make $40,000 and then invest that, and that's what I'm doing. So anyway. If I do margin and win, I only pay to... Yeah, you're right. All right, that's it. I will see you all back in 29 minutes for the music show. If you want to join me on the other channel, the link is here on the homepage of this channel to the Martyn Lucas channel. And if not, I will see you all back in the morning. And thank you very much for being here. Balasir, I didn't get to show him his fancy new mug. But this is what I made for Richard. Here, right now, this is it. He's got Rick and he's got Richard in white and black. They're handmade, his own listing. There you go. Cool. Right, that's it, folks. I'll see you all back in the morning. Been a wonderful day. Record audience, 53 likes. Record number of people watched the show today. And it's been good. Take care of yourselves and each other.